You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn together how to pronounce the name of these Irish barista and lawyer. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more Irish names. So how do you say it? You got the phonetic spelling here on your screen. Blinne Ni Ghralaigh. Blinne Ni Ghralaigh. Blinne Ni Ghralaigh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.